In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your missing crypto transactions in Koinly. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in Koinly to spot gaps that can throw off your balances and tax reports, and you'll understand what each warning means so you can decide what to review next. Start by opening the Koinly app and heading to your dashboard. This is your high-level overview, and it's the best launch point for checking data quality. From here, move into your transactions area and open the warnings view. Warnings is a focused space where Koinly groups issues it detects in your imported data, so you don't have to hunt through every entry. Think of it as a triage list. It highlights what needs attention to make your portfolio and gains accurate. Now, click on Missing Purchase. This view shows transactions where Koinly sees a disposal, trade, or spend, but can't find a matching acquisition. In other words, something was sold or exchanged, but the earlier buy or incoming transfer isn't in the timeline. Common reasons include a wallet or exchange not yet synced for the full date range, an internal transfer labeled as a deposit, or a previous import that excluded small dust amounts that later matter for cost basis. Use this list to pinpoint which assets and dates need a closer look. When you review these rows, focus on whether the asset first appeared mid-journey, the direction of prior transfers, and whether any relevant accounts are missing from your workspace. Next, select Missing Prices. These are transactions where Koinly didn't find a price for the asset at the exact time of the event. This typically occurs with very new tokens, thinly traded pairs, delisted coins, or brief pricing gaps on certain networks or time zones. Scanning this list helps you identify which assets might require a price source check later. Pay attention to the timestamp and the trading pair shown. If it's a swap or a bridge, the price may hinge on a token that wasn't widely quoted at that moment. Finally, open Missing API price for disposal. This is Koinly telling you it cannot calculate gains or losses for specific disposals because the cost basis is unknown. You'll often see these when a prior missing purchase still needs attention, when coins arrive via transfer without a recorded cost, or when airdrops and rewards lack an acquisition value. Treat this list as your priority queue before generating any tax reports, since unresolved items here can materially change your results. When you've reviewed each section, return to your dashboard and keep an eye on the warning count. As you resolve the underlying causes, this list will shrink and your reports will reflect a complete, reliable transaction history.